Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Connor
from Bullion Now and Little Coin Shop in this one. Looking forward to having a look at this one. It's a very, very limited release out of Perth Mint, and it's to celebrate. What's it to celebrate? The 100 years of the discovery of Tutankhamun, the Egyptian pharaoh's tomb.
So it's a Tutankhamun coin.
It is a Tutankhamun coin.
Now, where did we get this one from? Where did this coin come from itself?
This is a Perth Mint coin.
Now, have Perth Mint been doing Egyptian coins previously?
Not like this, they haven't, no.
Okay.
So this is the first. I don't believe it's first in the series. It's purely just to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb. Right. It's a very limited production, and I noticed that Perth Mint is already marking it as out of stock.
Oh.
So they are red hot, and I know they disappeared very, very quickly off their website. So
beautiful looking shipper right there.
They are. You can't knock Perth Mint for the quality of their packaging. It's just unbelievable. So limited, very limited edition, limited to 2,000 of them. So that's the outer packaging, and then the inner comes like this. So it's a 2-ounce coin, 2-ounce silver coin, as you can see there, and it's got a picture of Tutankhamun's death mask on it. That's what it's based on. So, which is the famous mask of Tutankhamun. Do you know he was actually born Tutankhamun?
No, I had no idea. Why? What's the difference?
It was a change of god, I believe. Tutankhamun and then Tutankhamun. No, it was the other way around. It was only later on in life that he was changed to Tutankhamun.
Wow.
So
that's a beautiful sized coin too.
It is, because it's a 2-ounce. They've used the larger face on it, so you've got that bit more detail, and they've also gilded the rim.
Oh wow!
So, which seems to be a thing that Perth Mint's doing at the moment, but it starts to draw out the silver colour by having that gold rim around it.
And it feels very appropriate as well for the Egyptian style.
Very regal, isn't it?
Yeah, it really does stand out. I'm actually surprised. This is the first 2-ounce coin that I've seen that has a bigger planchet rather than a thicker coin.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, no, I'm really impressed. I like it.
All right, trivia time. How many years did he rule for?
Oh, no, I have no idea. I see 100 years on the coin, but I have no idea.
It's 100 years since discovery. He ruled for about 9 to 10 years.
Right.
So how old was he when he was crowned pharaoh?
I don't know. Hit me with it.
About 8 or 9.
What?
Yeah.
Was that just like lineage, bloodline, and stuff like that?
Yeah. Purely bloodline. So. They don't actually know why he died, but it's probably from the complications of inbreeding at that stage, is the guess.
Yeah, okay.
Because they were fairly well inbred, the pharaohs.
Well,
so
here's Tutankhamun. There you go. Here's
what a cheerful note to finish on, isn't it? Yeah. No, look, it is a stunning coin. It is a very limited release out of Perth. And as I said, they haven't marked it as sold out, but they've marked it as no longer available. So that probably means that they're waiting to see how how everything lies out with the wholesale orders and international orders and that sort of stuff. So they may have a few more to release later on, but it will be very few and far between. So my strong suggestion is, if you've got an Egyptian bent at all, or if you like the coin, grab them while you can. They are available when you view this on the Little Coin Shop website, so littlecoinshop.com.au, and as soon as they're sold out there, I think you're going to struggle to get them anywhere.
Beautiful. Well, thanks for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries at all.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.